How to afford luxury when you have no money. I never in a lifetime thought I would be advocating for luxury products. Well, as a person who turned into minimalism, as a person who was against consumerism, as a person who has always been trying to be very conscious with what they purchase and what they don't. And now that I have learned more and more about fashion industry, that drove me crazy to wanting to really pay money for craftsmanship and products that really matter. And quality over quantity is my lifestyle. I'm not here to shame the other brands. I'm not here to say anything about people's opinions, but that's my opinion, and those are the tips that helped me that might help you as well achieve the same thing. People usually, when they buy something luxurious, they would go and buy it for special occasions. But that's the thing. You will never turn into a luxury quality person if you treat your day-to-day basis as trash. So for special occasions, there are two websites I really like. I'm gonna link them down below for renting. And for that special event, rent it out. Rent something very expensive that you might not afford, and like that, save the other money for day-to-day basis items that you would be using more often. Creating a savings sub-account. Not so long ago, I've created a saving account, and that saving account solely goes for things that I really need. But when I turned this account into sub-accounts where I say, this money is for example, a bag I want to get. This money is for a trip I want to go to. This money is for a car I need to buy, for example. This makes me more focused, it motivates me, and it makes me and stops me from consuming money on things that I wouldn't need, and turn it into the thing I actually need, and it helps a lot to transform your closet. Buy pre-loved. Oh my God, you guys. Yes, I know some people will be like, but you will be saving only $20 maybe. But trust me, it adds up at the end if you're trying to make an entire closet of luxury and quality products. And these products live, they are there to live a lifetime. And that's why craftsmanship with them is always guaranteed. So pre-loved will save you a lot of money. Use software websites to navigate sales. My favorite is Shopify. I think I pronounced it right. I'm gonna put the link of it down below. It's pretty decent in notifying you whenever any brand is doing sales, and that could save you a lot of money. When you rush items, you end up buying a lot of things with the price of one quality item that could be perfect fitting to your lifestyle. Exchange what you own. In the beginning, I didn't want to buy things that are expensive, and I invest money in them to find myself never using them. The best thing I found myself doing is basically I went to my closet, opened it, checked what I have been wearing all the time, and I would be like, okay, I like wearing my beige trench coat. Well, what is the best place that I could get it from? I went to Topshop to check it out. I went to Burberry. I checked it on eBay for like a Burberry secondhand trench coat until I found one that is suitable for cheaper, and I now wear it all the time. Here in Germany, TK Maxx. In the US, TG Maxx, they have sometimes gorgeous pieces. I once found a Dolce & Gabbana worth 1,000 euros shoe for 100. Duty free as well. Check the duty free. They usually have things without the taxes. Some people even plan their trips. Next time they're going, for example, to Turkey, they would get there to the outlet stores for Burberry and for Gucci, and they would get pieces that are so cheap. So next time you're planning a trip somewhere, really check what pieces you could hunt and get from there. Sell what you don't use. I once really gathered tons of things I don't use, went into a flea market and put them, and trust me, that money got me one bag I really love and cherish, and it was an investment instead of all the items that I never use. Have it as a goal. Stop all your aimless shopping trips. It's not gonna do you good to get things that you will never use or not gonna feel comfortable in. Save up. If all in doubt, check my saving tips video. It's really beneficial, you guys, full of advices, and trust me, these advices work. They worked to me, and I think they would pretty much work with everybody else. It's really, really important for all of you to know that I have went through a lot of things in my life, and I've changed a lot over the course of the past period. And that change motivated me to film with you all the tips and tricks and things I've learned. Maybe it could save someone time from doing the same mistakes I've done. I was a consumerist person. I turned into a minimalist, and then now I'm a conscious consumer, or that's what I like to call myself. I now don't buy a lot of things, but when I buy one thing, I really pay attention to the quality of that thing. I really pay attention that it's not just the brand to brag about it. It's something decent. I'm getting it for the quality of it, for the idea of it living for generations. Maybe I'll hand it down to my kids, and I really love such a beautiful aspect to certain brands. At the end, it's really important for you to check my blog. I've linked everything in it. It's extensive. Also, I was revamping my apartment, so I will be creating a couple of blog posts about what I did. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comment section below what next you want to see, and I'll see you soon. Happy summer, you boos. Bye.